for us the whole time.
We can handle these guys. Divide and conquer, you know the drill.
Aye, aye.
Copy that.
Whoa, whoa! What the hell?
Mac, what's going on?
Wait. Okay, I'm good, but the police chopper got a floodlight on me and I started losing control of my car.
You good?
Yeah, stuck under an overpass. Looks like that stopped me. Careful, guys. What's that spotlight?
Guys, whatever happened to Mac was coming from the chopper. Stay the hell away from it. Damn it!
Jess?
Sorry, I'm okay. Just made it through a barricade. Close one.
Air 7 to control. I got a beat on one of the subject vehicles. Initiating SKYHAMMER.
Damn it, the chopper's on me now and he's messing with my car. I gotta get out of that spotlight.
Get to the roundabout by the construction yard. I'll catch you there.
1 out of 35. Tell me how.
Hurry up, Ty. That chopper's gonna shut you down.
Come on, come on.
At the construction yard. I got you.
Anytime now, Mac. Mac? Car's down. Mac?
Hey, ugly! Over here!
Back online. Getting out of here. I owe you one back.
Executive decision. We need to get out of the city. The cops aren't playing games anymore.
You're right. We gotta bolt.
I'm headed down the spillway. Chopper won't be crazy enough to follow me, will he?
Air 7, why aren't you following that car?
No can do. Spillway's too narrow for my blades.
Shame. I'll have to call up the police chief, see if he can get me someone actually qualified.
No, I can handle it, man.
That's what I thought.
Navarro?
Are you really that surprised?
She's pulling the strings, then get ready for this to get real ugly.
Down the ramp here. Still searching the target vehicle.
He's on me. Plan? Anyone?
There's an overpass at the end of the drain. Meet me there.
You got it, sis.
Now heading south.
Hey, watch it.
Copy. Subject vehicle going southbound approaching the barrio.
Can't take this much longer. Gotta get to Jess. Come on, come on!
You're almost there.
Coming in hot. Jess? I'm clear. Jess?
Watch and learn, boys. See ya!
They're trying to take me out, Control. Lincoln 30, I gave them a little shove. We're on him. We're on him. Control, failure on the arrest. Subject got loose.
You kidding me? Chopper's back. At least I gave it a good beating.
Don't let it get you.
I know. One good hit will take it out.
Back in pursuit. They broke free.
Copy 1 out of 6. What is your location of travel now?
Now head westbound Lakeside.
Copy 1 out of 6.
Control, get us out of pursuit.
Wanna play around, huh?
Copy that.
What are you gonna do, arrest me?
Copy. Subject heading southbound.
Damn it, they got Lakeside on lockdown too. I'll try to lose him in the alleys.
At least the chopper can't follow you there.
Even the gambler wouldn't bet on that.
Air 7, you're out of excuses. You will stay on that car.
But man,
The house will be watching. You don't follow that car, you better find a different city to live in.
Copy that out of 6.
Jesus, this guy's insane.
Let me guess. He followed you into the alleyways.
But he won't get a beat on me.
Unable to pursue.
Where are you guys?
Heading south.
Same here.
New game plan. Let's meet on the 620. It's under construction, ton of equipment. Let's wreak havoc and block our escape point.
Let's do it. Get ready, guys. Feels like I got half of the Silver Rock police force on me.
I'm bringing the other half.
And I got the chopper. You boys ready for some fun?
Copy that.
Back.
This is more like it. Shooting it out as a crew.
If we go down together.
No way. We're getting out of here.
Fuel switching suspect vehicle.
Jess, updated plan, please.
Tunnel's coming up. It'll break line of sight with the chopper. Then we make a break for the desert.
It's not Loomer, it's your head.
She's not going anywhere.
Gotta hurry. The chopper's gonna shut me down. The chopper's about to fry my car.
Lincoln 30, my vehicle's too damaged to continue. Need a new lead. Units control, I've lost the subject.
No! Get on the other side. I'll body block them if you have to.
Alright. You wanna play rough?
Jess? I can't! Jess!
Okay, boys. Let's get out of here.
Glad to see you made it in one piece, Ty.
Barely. They had some sort of helicopter device, SKYHAMMER. Can kill a car engine dead in its tracks. Navarro gave it to them.
SKYHAMMER, you say?
You know about this?
Maybe. I'd need to see the device to be sure.
Steal prototype tech from the house while every cop is looking for us downtown? Is that all? Tyler.
Oh good, you're not in jail yet. Meet me.
I can't come downtown. I got too much heat with the cops right now.
You think I don't know that?